First, integration creates agility. Cloud applications as standalone silos can introduce inefficiencies by themselves. They also bring along integration challenges and IT and administrative overhead on their own. But studies have shown that customers migrating from these unintegrated solutions and moving to one centralized platform can expect to accelerate their process efficiency. Without integration among all of your applications, users need to navigate through multiple systems and data repositories for their everyday activities, and this just slows down the process and reduces that agility the company needs to operate efficiently. The next best practice is user configuration leading to efficiency. A cloud solution that empowers everyday business users to tailor applications to their needs atop a collaborative platform really accelerates processes and allows users to apply their own business expertise. And when users can directly change the way they work in an application without needing IT or programmers to make these same changes, business processes run faster and businesses run smoother. This is true in a lot of cloud applications, but not in every. So when you're selecting a cloud application, you need to seek those features where those benefits where user configuration is a feature. When automating processes, this really enables the companies then to also streamline their workflow activity. I'll give you one example. One EC Vision customer required factories to wait up to 2 working days after requesting carton labels from the agent before they can actually finish processing the order. While it isn't always an issue, we all know in the retail business when PO changes occur, as they frequently do, the new labels then had to be ordered while products waited on the loading dock. If there was an integration point between logistics and supply chain management applications in this instance, it would eliminate the need for these costly delays. The last best practice is reporting and analytics to increase visibility. And in this sense, real-time business intelligence is important in making informed decisions. Now, most of us use cloud platforms every day for, during our work day or during our personal business. You might look at the number of hits to your website, the number of orders placed, or your current bank balance. The information can be accessed instantly from almost anywhere with no extraction cycle. And the result is expanded awareness of all the important information that you're seeking. And when your staff is better informed, they make better decisions. In traditional PLM and supply chain systems, getting a single view of a factory is a major undertaking that might involve several databases and a business analyst, a consultant, or a special software product. Now, many companies invest in elaborate systems to collect data from applications, nightly or weekly, for instance, to create a single data warehouse for reporting and analysis. This always comes at an extreme cost, and it's a complex undertaking. The better, more efficient option is to have a unified and consistent database. This allows employees to do a single search on a factory or product number, for example, and see what they're buying, how much they paid, and the order status. This information can be valuable to anyone who needs it in real time. Now, value isn't only realized through the direct benefits of streamlined processes, data, and workflow that I just talked about. Cloud-based solutions can also yield a strong dollar-for-dollar savings over other delivery methods. In addition to the direct benefits of supply chain technology, there are some general benefits that relate to any size organization regardless of your industry. Now, the first is cost containment. The cloud offers enterprises the option of scalability without the serious financial commitments required for infrastructure purchase and maintenance. And as I said earlier, there's little to no upfront capital expenditure with cloud services. Services and storage are available on demand and are priced as a pay-as-you-go type service. The next is immediacy. Cloud computing provides the ability to implement and utilize a service in a single day or weeks at best, speeding up the time to realize the cost benefits. And in comparison, traditional software implementations can take months to put into operation. Next is availability. Cloud providers have the infrastructure and the bandwidth to accommodate business requirements for high-speed access, storage, and applications. Since the provider has redundant paths in place, the opportunity for load balancing exists to ensure that systems aren't overloaded and service delays are avoided. Next, scalability. With that unconstrained capacity, cloud services afford increased flexibility and scalability for evolving IT needs. That brings along efficiency. Reallocating information management activities to the cloud offers businesses a unique opportunity then to focus their efforts on innovation, research, and development. This allows for enhanced business and product growth, which may even be more beneficial than the financial advantages offered by the cloud. And last, we can deliver resiliency. Cloud providers have mirrored solutions that can be utilized in the disaster scenario as well for load balancing traffic. Now, whether there's a natural disaster that requires a different site in a different geographic region or just heavy traffic, cloud providers have the resiliency and capacity to ensure sustainability. The premise of cost-related benefits from cloud technology is that by outsourcing portions of your information management and IT operations, these teams will be free to improve processes, increase productivity, and innovate while the cloud provider handles operational activities faster and cheaper. As supply chains continue to become leaner and more expansive, the likelihood of uncertainties and breaks in one link are greater. And one broken link can adversely affect other links downstream. The resources required to maintain and grow an IT infrastructure to support the needs of the business can be enormous. But cloud computing is a cost-effective and rapidly deployed solution that supports business needs and demands when implemented following some best practices. In the end, cloud computing is a strategy, and it can streamline processes to ensure efficiency, integrate data from multiple sources, and support decision-making at the business user level. This all results after you've chosen the application delivery method that's right for your company, and the result includes cost and time savings for retail companies who never have enough of either. Now we have a few minutes for questions. If you'd like to submit some through the chat line. During the session, I did notice that one question came up talking about data security and the security of cloud-based solutions. And what I can say to that is that, data concern really is something to be worried about no matter what type of IT architecture your company uses. And it's really important when you're selecting a cloud provider to work with that provider to determine how much attention they really give to security, privacy, and compliance with all the data laws in all of the relevant jurisdictions. Okay, so we'll just give you a few more minutes if you want to submit any questions. Now, while we don't make the slides available following the presentation, the one thing I can do is direct you to our website and let you know that we have posted or will be posting a white paper that accompanies this presentation this afternoon. If you're interested in more information, you can contact us directly also at us-marketing@ecvision.com. So thanks for your time and thanks for joining us. We don't see any questions coming in, so we hope to see you again at another session with ECVision. Have a good day.